Hi, my name is Rachel K. Cross, and I want to talk to you about a new revamped online mini course called the Career Freedom Bootcamp. This is for you if you feel stuck or unfulfilled in your current job or career. I want you to know that you're not alone. 10 years ago, I started my boutique marketing consulting firm, Rachel K. Group, because I was in the exact same place. And when I started, there was no clear roadmap for how to start a business. Should I be a sole proprietor or an LLC? What kind of accounting did I need to engage in? What about contracts and proposals? There was so much to learn, and I made so many mistakes. That's why I created this course to help you with the first basic steps to starting your own business. In this mini course, we cover the most important thing that every successful entrepreneur needs. Then we talk about business basics, such as entity structure. We'll go over accounting best practices. We're going to talk about pricing and proposals. And finally, I'm going to give you some encouragement to start working now. Hint, you don't need a logo or website to start selling your services. Here's how it works. There's 6 small modules. Each one has some handouts and additional materials to help you go deeper into that topic. And then at the end, when you're finished, you'll have the opportunity to schedule a one-on-one consultation with me to talk about either next steps or maybe go into more details about one of the topics if you have any questions. I launched this course last year and then I'm revamping it based on the feedback I got to make it even more robust. It's going to launch on March 1st, but you can pre-order it right now. I can't wait to see you at the Career Freedom Bootcamp.